This is a solution for a fingerprint cabinet lock. We have already programmed it and it can be used directly. By combining it with a motor, battery, and casing, you can assemble a cabinet lock for immediate use. No further programming development is required. There is a Bluetooth version and a non-Bluetooth version. This is the fingerprint sensor, and this is the LED light. This position is for connecting the battery, and this position is used for connecting the motor. This is the Type-C interface for emergency power supply. Okay, now here is the padlock solution, and when you add a motor, a battery, a shell, and you can use it directly. Now here is the product, and now we can see. Okay, the lock. It's like this.